Hello and welcome, dear students, to the second part of the lecture on advertisement writing. I am Vijaya ma'am and I will be discussing in this lecture about classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are basically written in the newspapers. So in this lecture we will see how we can compose various types of classified advertisements. Before we begin, we must know that classified advertisements or advertisement writings are important and compulsory section from your writing skill, and it carries 5 marks. So let's begin now. In the previous lecture, I had discussed in detail about what is advertisements and the two types of advertisements. For those who are new and do not know what are classified and general advertisements, let me tell you very quickly that classified advertisements are generally published in the newspapers. They are different from the general advertisements as the classified advertisements are less expensive. They use less space and words. They are always very simple and to the point. So these are the features of classified advertisements. So let us see the various types of classified advertisements. A classified advertisements can be divided into various types such as employment, matrimonial, accommodation, real estate, vehicles, lost and found reports, and missing persons, documents, items, etc. So the first type of classified advertisement is employment. Now employment is further categorized into situation vacant and situation wanted. A situation vacant is written by the employer who is seeking for services of a person. So in the question which is given below, you are R. Sharma of Ranchi. You want an English tutor for your younger sister. Draft an advertisement to be published in the classified column of your local newspaper. So over here you need to understand that you are the employer. You are R. Sharma and you are looking for an English tutor for your younger sister. So the first thing when you draft this advertisement which you need to do is write down situation vacant, and you must highlight that you require female or male teachers for a girl of class 12. Ladies with a minimum experience of teaching 10 plus 2 classes of 5 years will be considered. Salary, traveling expense will be included. 1500 to 2000 per month, depending upon the caliber and experience of the teacher. Contact R. Sharma, Ratu Road, Ranchi, phone so and so. So this is an example which I have tried to show you. This is how you write an advertisement for situation vacant. Likewise, over here I have given similar question which is from situation vacant, but this is much more official. Over here you are the general manager of Brakes and Brake India Limited. You want to appoint 2 sales representatives for your company. Draft an advertisement to be published in the classified columns of your local newspaper. So again over here you are the employer, you are the general manager of Brakes and Brake India Limited. This is your company and you need to appoint 2 sales representatives. So again you have to write down situation vacant and you need to mention that you require 2 young and outgoing sales representatives for Brakes and Brake India Limited. Only result-oriented smart boys and girls in the age group of 18 to 25 with good communication skills will be considered. Salary with incentives. Apply or personally contact general manager, phone so and so. So you see, the classified advertisements are always very short, and they do not use very long and lengthy sentences. They use short sentences and short phrases. So, and you have to write down and mention the key points that you require in that person. Over here I have discussed the other category of employment, which is situation wanted. Situation wanted is written by the person who is looking for a job. So the question which I have given over here is that you are an electrical engineer in need of a job in or around Delhi. Write an advertisement to be published in the local newspaper. So over here you are the person who is looking for a job, and you have to write the advertisement which is to be published in the newspaper. So you will have to write situation wanted, and you have to write wanted job for BE electrical engineer from Delhi College of Engineering. You have to mention from where you have completed your studies, and that you are seeking job in or around Delhi. And if you are working anywhere, you must also mention that presently you are working with private firm in Noida. Salary acceptable about 9,000 per month. Please contact Suraj Prakash, 20 Bank Road, Dhanbad. Phone number so and so. So remember one thing, girls, that whenever you are writing advertisement, classified advertisement, you must put your advertisement in a box. I may have forgotten to mention it to you before, but whenever you write a advertisement, put it inside a box, just like I have shown over here. Okay. The next type of classified advertisement which we will be seeing is real estate for sale. So this kind of advertisement is written by the property owner who wants to sell it. So the question which is given in this for this real estate advertisement is, you are an NRI, which means non-resident Indian, owner of a farm in Punjab, India. You want to sell it. Draft an advertisement for it. So again over here, you are the owner of the property, owner of a farm, but you are also a non-resident Indian, which means you are no longer living in India, and you want to sell your farm. So the first thing which you will do is write or mention for sale, and in the box you will write for sale and give all the details and features of your farm. For example, this person has mentioned that his farm is of 5 acres. It is well irrigated. It has tube well and electricity supply. Farmhouse constructed in good condition. He has also mentioned that he has settled abroad. The price of the farm is negotiable. Negotiable means it can be bargained and the price is not settled. It can be decided with between two persons. And he wants an early settlement, and contact details is given below. Similarly, for purchase, again this kind of advertisement is written by a person who wants to buy the property. So the question is, you are interested in purchasing a flat. Write an advertisement for it giving your requirements. So you are the person who wants to buy a flat, and you have to write an advertisement stating that which kind of flat you want and where you want the flat to be, and the price which you are willing to pay for that apartment or flat. So you have to mention for purchase, and in the box you will mention wanted for immediate purchase, 3 BHK flat, attached baths, drawing cum dining room with family lounge in North Delhi, 1200 to 1500 square feet, price around 15 to 17 lakhs. Owners may contact RK Gupta, 20B Sarojini Nagar, New Delhi, or phone given below. So you see how very short and very precise this advertisement is. You have to mention exactly what you require in your flat, the length and breadth of the flat, and the price which you are willing to pay. And you have to also mention your contact details, your name and your phone number. For the last section of this lecture, we will see the selling of vehicle, electronic items and non-electronic items. But I have only given example for the selling of vehicle. So the question over here is, you want to sell your two-wheeler. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the daily newspaper. So again, since you are the seller, you want to sell your vehicle, you have to write an advertisement describing about the features of your vehicle. So you have to mention for sale, and again in the box you will mention for sale a motorcycle, Hero Honda Passion 200cc 2018 edition, in good running condition with original documents, good mileage. The bike has only covered 12,000 kilometers. Price is again negotiable, and interested persons may contact Ranjit, 26, Nai Sarak, Delhi 6. Telephone number is given below. So this is how you have to draft your classified advertisements in the newspaper. This is the format, and this carries 5 marks. So this is it for this lecture. Before I end my lecture, I would like to remind that it is important for everyone to copy down all the examples of the classified advertisements which I have shown in this video lecture. Hope that you are able to copy them down. Till then, be safe, stay at home. Thank you.